I shared this recipe about 2 months ago, and those that have tried it can already attest to it. This is a bomb recipe, and you're making my favorite smoothie. And today I have my ingredients. I have some milk, some oats, I have some vanilla essence, I have some peanuts, some strawberries, some honey, which is optional, and finally have some bananas. I love this because it's very filling. Without further ado, let's get started. As usual, this is another recipe that you're going to love once you try it out, and I am going to start by adding about 2 small bananas, medium small bananas. And this is a very filling recipe. It's also delicious and nutritious as well. Then I'll go in with my oats, and I'm going to add about 2 spoons of oats. I'll just add that as well. Then I'll go in with my peanuts, and I'm also going to add in my strawberries. I'll go in with some vanilla essence, which is absolutely optional, but if at all you have it, you can always include it, and it's going to make the difference. Then finally we have some honey. So this is just a sweetener. You can have it as it is absolutely delicious, but if at all you want the extra sweetness, feel free to add in some honey, and if at all you do not have the honey, you can add in some sugar. Then I'll top this up with milk, and you can already tell that this is going to be delicious. I'll cover this, then I'm going to blend it for about a minute or 2. And just like that, my smoothie is ready. I'm going to give it a taste test. Wow. It's so thick, so delicious. Wow. My guys, this is so delicious. You just have to try it out, and you're going to thank me later. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.